Energy is defined as the ability to do work. Where do we get this ability? When you do any work, whether by taking a walk or even talking or breathing, that is your body converting the chemical energy from the food you've eaten into moving your weight from one position to another. Humans use tools and machines to do work also. Planes, heavy machinery, computers, and so on convert various forms of energy to complete various tasks. So, in this quest, we'll explore the sources of energy that power these machines, their properties, and effects. There are two types of energy resources: renewable and non renewable. Renewable energy resources can be replenished after use and can thus be exploited almost indefinitely. Non-renewable energy sources are gotten from finite resources that can get exhausted as they are being used. In this lesson, we will focus on non-renewables and learn about renewable resources in the upcoming lessons. 70% of the world's energy needs are provided by fossil fuels, namely coal, petroleum, and natural gas. These are formed from the remains of organic matter that have been subjected to heat and pressure under the Earth's surface for millennia to form a mixture of hydrocarbons that can either be burned as fuel or used as raw product for synthesis of other products. Coal was the first fossil fuel we learned how to exploit. It is solid in its natural form and ranges from deep brown to black in color. It is one of the cheapest fuels available, so it is still useful in processes that require heat, such as melting of metal ores, steam generation in power plants for the production of electricity, and so on. But due to other concerns, which we will address in later lessons, its use is on the decline. Petroleum is mainly liquid in its natural form and is referred to as crude oil. This is refined to form petrol, kerosene, and diesel that can be used as fuels for powering transportation, heavy machinery, electricity generation, heating, cooling, and other domestic and industrial uses. Natural gas often occurs naturally wherever there are petroleum deposits and is also a source of energy for domestic and industrial heating and in the synthesis of other valuable products. The cooking gas in your home is a byproduct of natural gas. Another energy resource is nuclear energy. In our lesson on nuclear reactions, we learned how nuclear fission reactions generate large amounts of heat, which then generates steam that turns turbines to produce electricity. Uranium is the primary radioactive material that is used to carry out nuclear reactions. It is a very efficient source of energy. 1 kilogram of radioactive uranium can produce the heat of over 2,000 tons of coal. But nuclear energy also carries the greatest risk of causing destruction, and this is why it does not account for a larger share of the world's energy use. So in this lesson, we have learned about the main non-renewable energy resources, which are fossil fuels and nuclear energy. In the upcoming lessons in this quest, we will learn about renewable energy resources and so much more about energy and our environment. Don't miss it.